How to find your favorites on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. To add videos to favorite, what you can do is click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll to the left and you will find favorite option. If you don't find it here, you can also click on the bookmark icon on the right side of the video. After you do that, to search for favorite videos, click on your profile at the bottom right. And here, click on the bookmark like icon. And now here, you will find all your favorites videos. You can also find collection, sounds, effect, your dogs, playlist, and movies and TVs and comments as well. And this is how to find your favorites on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.